Route management, one of the most used feature by QSR and chain outlets. Here, there are several functions available. The first one being route master, where you can create, edit, and mark routes active or inactive. Let's take an example. If I have two trucks and the first truck is supposed to go to outlet F after outlet A, then I can design a dispatch route like so. In the another scenario, let's take an example where a truck was going from outlet A to outlet C, and now I want to edit it and make it outlet A to outlet D. That is also possible. The second one is route-wise dispatch report, where you essentially get a report of all the raw materials requested and filtered by the route. They'll ask you for a date range, and you can filter it by selecting the purchase orders for the dates or the sales registered for the dates. With this, you can plan the logistic and delivery management of your goods. Another report, which is our third function, is outlet-wise dispatch report, where you can essentially find the same information as mentioned earlier of routes and the raw materials to be given to the particular outlets. Here, you get all of the flexibility to design routes and manage your supply chain very smoothly. So this is about route management in Petpooja Inventory.